Remember what was your first impression of each other when you first saw each other?
Okay, मैं बोल देती हूँ कि राहुल को क्या लगा था जब उसने पहली बार मुझे देखा.
Yeah, he must have told you definitely.
Yeah. So ऐसे काफी इंटरव्यूज में ऐसे पूछा भी गया है. So
गलती से मेरे मुंह से निकल गया था
कि भाई ये तो बहुत अकड़ू लड़की है, ये तो बहुत ऐसी ईगो वाली लड़की है, इसके साथ तो काम करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. This is what
You thought that?
Of course, man. You should have seen her.
like मेरा पहला इम्प्रेशन ऐसा था.
But I can't believe it, to be very honest, because I mean, even if I've not met you, I've heard about how she is. As
I'm
a person.
sure that if you get to know her, you won't think
Yeah.
that. But I'm talking about the first impression, where everybody is coming in a very, tight defense state, and it's business. You're there for work, and you're very subtly we're all assessing. अच्छा ये कौन है? अच्छा ठीक है ये कौन है? अच्छा ये So, अब मैं ना बहुत दुखी हो गया था because that was my 23rd mock test. People don't realize how hard I have worked to get this role. 23 odd.
You gave oh my god.
23rd was Haley, and I'm saying it for the first time. I think
No,
I have
know.
said that.
You've told me कि
No, on camera मैंने आज तक नहीं बोला.
तो आखिरी लड़की थी जिसके साथ मॉक
Yeah,
शूट किया था.
she was the last girl I did a mock shoot, and I was.
He was like कर लो, किसी को भी सिलेक्ट कर लो, बस मेरे को बख्श दो.
Yeah, I mean, it just took a toll over me because I was saying the same lines continuously for 4 odd days continuously, और मैं बस लड़की चेंज होती थी और मैं nice perfume. Oh shit, man! That nice perfume went on for months. मैं नींद तक में वही बोल रहा था nice perfume. My mother got up and she slapped me. She's like, "What is wrong with you?" Nice perfume.
This is called being that character को इतना seriously लेना कि वो नींद तक में वही समझ में आ रहा.
Yeah, that was something, man. I think that took a toll on my mental health. अब मैं कभी वहाँ से come back नहीं कर पाया. Like what?
But what made you finally realize that okay, she is not that akru person that you thought she was?
वो कब पता चला? वो तो क्रूज से वापस आने के बाद पता चला होगा.
Cruise तक तो भाई, oh God, Haley has killed me, man.
Really?
Do you remember that dance sequence on the cruise?
Yeah.
So let me not even talk about all these things.
Please, I would want to know what happened.
So I was very irritated
No.
with Rahul, okay? Like
Wait.
angry, yeah, irritated,
No.
whatever you want to call it.
No.
He wanted to rehearse. कितनी बार किया था यार rehearsal?
No, you were not irritated at that.
Yeah, no, I was irritated at something else.
I'll tell you what happened.
मेरी
I
याददाश्त
remember
थोड़ी सी
it
कमजोर है.
clean and clear. और मुझे एक एक करके वो शॉट भी याद है वो कैसे कैसे हेली इरिटेट हुई. हेली comes and she's done a lot of TV shows. जब भी कोई हीरो हीरोइन का डांस होता है, she is used to being very calmly and gently maneuvered into the dance.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
She doesn't realize my character is not supposed to do that to her character. I have to push her, pull her, shove her, and then that is what the whole thing of the dance was. And she was getting really pissed at that. She kept getting pissed. I was like, यार ये last day है, कल घर चले जाएंगे. I swear I will not see this woman even before. And if she wants to, she can go complain to the police. She can send me a legal notice. But आज अगर मैं यहाँ पे हूँ and I'm bloody supposed to shoot this all night, I will do it right. कल की कल देखूंगा मैं.
नहीं, तो शुरुआत में मैं ठीक थी. फिर ऐसा हुआ कि रिहर्सल में भी हो रहा है. I got irritated because of that. I was not angry कि हाँ टेक में मुझे ऐसे कर रहे हो. I was irritated and angry.
She was pissed. मेरे को रिहर्सल में बोलती है, कहती he is the choreographer ना, तुम क्यों करके दिखा रहे हो? आपको करना है. I'm the one who's supposed to do it.
रिहर्सल में भी एक घुमा रहे ना. रिहर्सल है, please calm down. We can just do it. थोड़ा सा आराम से और वैसे रिहर्सल कर लेंगे. टेक में जितना फोर्स लगाना है, जितना मेरे को धक्का मारना है मार लो. टेक में मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो मैं इस बात पे इरिटेट हो गई. एंड देन आई सैट एंड आई थिंक हिमांशु के साथ कोई और एक लड़का था. मैंने उसको बोला मैं रिहर्सल नहीं कर रही, उसको करना है, आप लोग कर लो.
But then finally, when did you guys become friends then?
Never.
Eventually.
We're still fighting.
No, but what was it about her finally that you realized that अकड़ू नहीं है, मतलब अच्छी है?
ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. जो हर दिन अब वही सामने दिख रही है तो मैं I don't really.
You get used to it.
Yeah, I mean ऐसा कुछ थोड़ी होता है. 1 point. Oh,
No, but you
she's not
realize
that अकड़ू, man. I used to think wrong. No, you just sort of mellow in कि भैया इसमें there is no other choice. to get real here. She is your co-actress, and you will be with her, and she's stuck with you, and you're stuck with her. So you might as well just try and, adapt, Rahul, adapt. So हर दिन सुबह morning में ना just do adapt. She's a good girl. She's a good
Today
girl.
only he said, Heli, 365 days में से 363 days तू सड़ी हुई रहती है,
इसका
पर 2
कितने
दिन
mood swing है भाई इसके?
तू बहुत अच्छी रहती, तो आज उन 2 में से एक दिन है।
अब मेरे को डर लग रहा है अब एक ही दिन बचा मेरे पास पूरे साल में.
That's what he comes and says to me.
But what was your first impression of him now?
Of course.
I'm really eager to know that.
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली मेरा कुछ सोलो पोर्शन वहाँ पर मॉक शूट में हो रहा था, मैं वहाँ से आई चेंज वेंज के लिए, तो एक ही स्पेस, ऐसे इतना एक स्पेस था जहाँ पर ऐसे अलग अलग ऑफिसेस थी जहाँ पर सबके मेकअप और हेयर हो रहे थे. सो आई कम एंड देन आई सी, तो मुझे हेयर मेकअप उन लोगों ने बोला कि हाँ वो लड़का आ गया है, हीरो आ गया है, जिसके साथ हमें मॉक शूट करना है. ओके, एंड आई वाज रेडी. ओके, मैं बैठी हूँ, I'm done with my lines and everything. मैं फिर भी बैठी हूँ, फिर मैं वापस जहाँ शूट होना था मैं वहाँ चली गई, मैं वहाँ पे भी बैठी हूँ, बातें कर रही. मैंने बोला भाई ये बंदा आ ही नहीं है, इतना टाइम लगा रहा है हेयर मेकअप को. Like this was my first impression. हमने मॉक शूट किया और बस फिर चले गए.
But what happened after that entire जो cruise वाला जो episode हुआ when you were irritated by him?
अरे कुछ
Sometime.
नहीं.
अरे
Then it was fine.
Of course. ऐसा थोड़ी था कि भाई हम
अब लड़ाई के मार देंगे.
ऐसा थोड़ी, वो तो एक
It's just a moment where
टाइम
you get
के
a
लिए
little
शायद
angry.
ऐसा हुआ. उसके बाद भी quite
भूल भी गए, याद भी नहीं है मेरे
But
को. अब वापस अब याद आया.
But 2 things that you hate and love about it, working with each other.
Really, come on.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, this time, Helly, I want you to start this.
What? 2 things I
Just
hate.
say it. I'm not even looking at you.
Like I don't hate anything about.
Or maybe dislike. Hate would be a
Maybe
stronger
dislike.
word, yeah.
Dislike भी नहीं, but
अब come on, you don't have to be diplomatic.
नहीं,
Straight
नहीं,
answer. ठीक है, चलो we'll start with 2 things you love about him and then you can say.
I think I don't know कि मैंने ऐसा कभी बोला है इंटरव्यू में, but I think he's the best co-actor I have worked with till now.
Wow. अब
And
तारीफ हो गई.
ये तारीफ हो
हाँ, अब hate. What
एंड
do you
मतलब
not
ये
like
चीज
about?
है जो मैं ऐसे बोलती हूँ, मतलब मैं that he is somebody who has made me the most comfortable. मैंने सबके साथ काम किया है, but I think I am the most comfortable and chilled with Rahul. बहुत 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 सिखाया इन लोगों ने, मुझे बिगाड़ के रख दिया है. मतलब मैं जितनी 1 साल पहले जैसी थी वैसी मैं नहीं हूँ. Do you agree to that?
Of course, man. I'm so proud of myself.
And now what do you know?